Honey, you need to shut the fuck off if you don't know who you're talking to. And here's Brittany.
Honey, you need to shut the fuck up. You don't know who to talk to. Yeah, I'm talking to a clown ass bitch who fucking. I don't give a fuck with your fucking family gang, whatever it's called, okay?
Wait, I want to talk to Brittany. Wait, I want to talk to Brittany. Hey, Brittany, you there, you fat fucking cunt? Hey, Brittany, you there, you fat cunt?
This is enjoyable.
Hey, Elephant, are you there? Little fucking
Really funny because
you'll lose some weight,
they're not even saying
fat
anything.
whore. Yeah, we are saying something. You just don't want to be embarrassed in front of your fucking girlfriend.
Nobody else. Oh,
Yeah, is this V stand for vagina? Vagina? Your girlfriend don't even know how to speak. You fucking retard.
Wow.
Are you all retarded in that house? Yo, what's up with that when you send fake pictures to Lewis just to get him? Like, that's pretty fucked up. You fucking played him hardcore,
Did
you
you
fucking...
send fake pictures because you're really
Stop,
ugly,
Princess,
Brittany?
stop. Yeah, that's why. She's
Wow.
fat. You can't even find her on the fucking vagina. Because she's so fat. You can't even wipe her ass when she's shit.
Wow.
That's why she has to get her girlfriend to lick her fucking pooper hole when she's done.
Really? You're really childish because that's all you do is say stuff like that. Like,
You're fucking
really?
mad, Brittany. Don't be mad. Go fucking kill yourself. Because you're
I'm mad.
So I can be
I'm
happy.
mad. Look at you. You're the one over there filling up freaking microphones like you all that.
Shut the fuck up.
Like, really?
First of all, at least I don't have...
Because you can't.
Shut the fuck up. You're fucking annoying.
Make me because you can't.
I don't want
You're
to.
not even here in my house. So you
I don't
can't
want to
make
be
me
there.
that.
I want to be far away from that house, actually. Because once I see you, I feel like I have to kill myself because you're so fucking
Like
ugly.
mocking me, like a little kid.
I'm mocking you? Am I? I'm pretty sure I'm not mocking you. I think you're just fucking mad because I'm with Lewis right now, and you don't even like your fat ass.
Like I care.
Like I care? Yeah, because you lied to Princess and you say, oh yeah, me and Lewis are talking about getting back together. Lewis don't want your fat ass.
Oh my God.
Lewis don't want your
Nobody
fat
wants
Did
ass.
I say that? No, I didn't say it.
Yes, you did. You want me to send you the message? I got the message right now, hon. I'll send you to.
Do you really think I care? Like I'm not
together.
And the funny thing is,
Anyone who's seen my message, you know this, right?
Princess, wait. The funny thing is, Princess gave us her account information. We logged on to there, and we seen the message. And it said that. You want to get back together with him, but he don't want your fat fucking ugly ass.
Did I ever say anything like that? No, I did not. Could anybody have
Yes,
seen
you did. You want to see the message?
Yes,
Send you the message.
Oh my God.
Get
Does the
mad.
message prove
Get
anything?
mad.
No, it does not.
Get mad.
Yes, it does, bitch.
Like really?
Get mad, dude. You going bad.
No, I'm not getting mad.
You're
People think I'm laughing at you.
The funny thing is you're screaming, you fucking retard. What do you mean you're not getting mad?
Wow.
You're fucking screaming. You're screaming like a fucking retard. A fat fucking retard, that's what you are.
Oh, really? Well, you're a fucking cracker with your fucking white ass.
I'm a cracker. Oh my God. So is your fucking girlfriend over there. You look like a fucking cracker. You just look a little dark because of all that fucking makeup you put on. Because you're so ugly, and you get even uglier when you put on that makeup.
Oh. Wow, you surprised me because oh look, she's looking at her TV but she won't show her face. Oh look. Look at that. You know what's funny? It's because I did the same thing to Lewis. But guess what? He never fucking made it. So guess what? Just turn off your camera now because you won't even show your face.
Drop your camera, bitch. I look 100 times better than your ugly ass. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, you won't even show your fucking face because you're so damn ugly.
Yeah, you won't even
got a
show
lot
your
of
face. Your lights off. You wear makeup. You look like a fucking clown ass hit.
Wait, and then when you said, oh yeah, it's so,
y'all look country to you?
when you said, when you fucking stand up, right, and you were like, oh yeah, it's so hard to show my face, and I was like, why? But now I really see why. I didn't want to hurt your feelings and say anything, but I really see why you didn't want to show your face.
Oh my God.
Dude, even I can wear a freaking bandana around my face and say I look pretty. Come on now.
Well, excuse me. Was I the one in the bandana? No. That was my best friend, okay? You didn't even
Yeah,
see me,
yeah.
okay? I never even got on the camera.
Oh,
Do I
baby,
look like I
why
got
don't you
curly
turn
hair
up?
to you? No.
I'm so glad you didn't get on the camera because I'd probably kill myself.
No. Do you want me to show you my eyes?
Good, I hope you
Please,
do.
want me to show you my eyes?
Because
Yeah,
I
wait a
love
Want me
the
to show you my
best
shirt
people.
and makeup?
Wait a minute, yo guys, wait a minute. Let me log on to Facebook and look at the
Like, I
YouTube video
believe in
and
God.
read some of the comments people have been saying about her. Let her hear the comments.
Yes. God, that would be
Wow,
great.
they're going on fucking
Yeah, I know, right?
a gossip site that doesn't do anything. Like, really? Like, I'm going to get offended? No.
This is what some people are saying, alright? Ew, she's scarier than Jigsaw.
Like,
She's
really?
so nasty. Oh my god. Listen. Godzilla. Man, she's so nasty.
Shut the hell up,
She's
bro.
raunchy.
You're fucking expecting it to
The
be.
same thing happened to me when I seen someone's comment. Man, wait, what the fuck? Oh, that chick looked nasty as fuck. And this one girl said, that's disturbing. I'm scared now. Jordan. Listen, Jordan. You remember Jordan? Yeah, he was like, oh my fucking god,
Your
I'm
boyfriend?
asleep with
Yeah, I remember him.
my one eye open. Then
Yeah, your boyfriend. I
Next
remember
past
him.
the
You were with
front.
him last night,
Yeah.
really? Because he was taking
Oh
you
yeah,
up your ass.
definitely. Definitely. I was with Lewis last night, and the funny thing is, I fucking killed Jordan. That's the funny thing.
Oh, really? I
Jordan
know
doesn't
you did.
even
You
talk
killed
to
him with
me
your
anymore.
anorexic dick.
Oh, you guys sound like mice. You guys laugh like mice, so you guys sound like a mouse on crack.
Really? You're talking about a 6-year-old kid?
Hey, they all, you know why they both sound the same? Because they're both fucking fat as shit. They both probably weigh 500 pounds.
Is your
Really?
cheeks like squished up together when you're talking and you have like a really tiny mouth and shit?
Oh,
Now,
really? Is your
yeah,
face
she's
that
so
fucking
fat.
tight?
She's so fucking fat, right? She gets a bra and she chubs. She like grabs her fat and puts it in her boob cup because she's so fucking
I know
fat.
that's what you do. So why do you keep talking about yourself for, B?
Why would I wear a bra? You're so fucking retarded. I'm not fucking fat like you are. You fucking.
You're a transvestite like Frost hair.
I'm a tranny.
Yeah, you are.
That is hilarious.
Oh, apparently I'm a tranny too. Like, I didn't know trannies had a freaking...
Yo, Lewis, am I a tranny? Hey, yo, Lewis, am I a tranny?
Well, people ask me this question, like, wow.
Louis!
This Boricua Rain. I'm gonna do part 2. Stay there.